So today I'm going to talk about a rebranding of Google's local business service and what that actually means for you as a SMB or a small to medium sized business. This is Marlon McPherson and you're watching or listening to Future Steps Creative, the online business show that talks about strategy around your website and content so you can build effective conversion-based websites and create amazing online content to attract the right kind of people and make more sales within your business. So without further ado, let me jump into the content. This is going to be a really quick one. So I've been advocating for Google My Business, or pushing for Google My Business as a way for small business owners especially to leverage online services or online marketing facilities and feature services they can use to actually get out there and spread the word, get people to find them without necessarily having to spend a lot of money, because this is something that, let's face it, a lot of small businesses struggle with in terms of budgets and stuff like that. And in fact, I have a training on my website that talks about small business marketing or local business marketing to be more specific. So if you want to watch that training, you can head over to marlonmcpherson.com and you just go to my free section. You'll see a navigation, something in the navigation that actually says local business marketing. And that essentially is a Google My Business training. But what Google has done is recently I came across this article maybe about a week ago, at least within the last few days, they've changed the name to now Google Business Profile. I actually like that name because it actually makes more sense. It is more straightforward to say to someone, do you have a Google Business Profile? As opposed to ask them, do you have Google My Business? It's sort of like a sentence that doesn't make sense if you haven't heard about Google My Business and know what that is all about. So they've rebranded, and coming with that, there are some changes that potentially may affect your business. Now, I want to put you at ease because I've logged into my account and I can't see any changes. All the features and functionality that I would expect to be or that were there from before, they're still there. So I really don't see how this affects individual businesses. But that being said, there are a couple of things that I've come across here inside this article from brightlocal.com. I'll link up the article, but what it says here is that essentially if you run a multi-location business, so if you have or if you manage multiple locations, there are things that you might want to have a look at and pay attention to. So I will link the article because I don't really have too much details on it. I haven't really gone in depth, but they are also adding some additional features and functionality to the maps aspect of, almost said Google My Business, but it's Google Business Profile. So I'm gonna have to get used to saying Google Business Profile and not call it Google My Business anymore, because it's actually a new name, which I said I liked, right? So some features that they've added here on where it says more power to Google Maps and search. Actually, this is just saying how you can verify your business and so on and so forth. This doesn't actually tell me here in that little bullet list, which I thought it was going to. But do check out the article. Now, again, as an individual business owner, local business, all the features are still there. You just want to operate as normal. There isn't anything too much to worry about there. I've already mentioned about multi-location businesses. The app, I did read that is going to change as well. It literally is the same app at the minute. I just looked in the Play Store on my Android. I haven't looked in the Apple Store on iOS, but I believe it will be the same thing. But if you just search Google My Business, it should still link because they should have a way to forward it through. If there's any further updates, I will let you know. But if you haven't been paying attention to Google My Business as a local service provider or a local business, if you sell products, you should be jumping on there, right? You should be, chances are you do have a profile and you don't even know. You maybe have one set up and there's other people entering information on that profile, because that does happen. You need to make sure you go and have a look at it, because people could be leaving reviews and stuff like that, and you're not responding, and you should be responding. You should be doing all of these things. And just to tell you where to go to get the free training, which is going to help you get set up and talk you through some strategies how you can use it for free, just head over to marlonmcpherson.com/local business marketing. So local business marketing, all in one word. I do have a free help section here on my website now. So any sort of resources that I am giving away for free or trainings and stuff, I will have that linked in this section of the menu on my website. So do check that out if it's something that you're looking to get done. Do check out one of my other pieces of content if you're listening to the podcast. I've got other episodes you can listen to, or if you're on YouTube, you can watch another video which is going to come up on your screen. Until next time, go forth and take action.